course, our best player coming from the AFP Cavaliers, Lieutenant Colonel Emeterio Armada. I hope I pronounce it right, yung iyong panalo po, yung pangalan niyo po, no? Congratulations. This is your first time to be joining us here in the Executives Face-Off. Kamusta naman po ang tournament para sa inyo?
Magandang experience to sa amin, lalo na sa AFP. Lalo na makasama sa executive. Masyadong mataas ang competition. Kaya yun.
Do you think nakatulong po sa inyong kupunan ngayon is that mas lumiit, mas tumangkad din ang inyong kupunan, not only lumiit but tumangkad, but also you were a younger lineup. You have a younger lineup for today.
Yes, isa sa mga factor yun. Tapos yung pag-execute namin ng play, then yung sumusunod kami sa coaches namin, then maganda yung practice namin.
What about your goals? Last 2 games in the first round of games, kakaharapin nyo na lang kupunan ng BIR, and lastly against the SSS team. So ano yung goals nyo going into your last 2 games here?
Our goal is to play hard and yung galingan namin. Kasi kaya nga lang sabi ko, kung wala yung mga commitment ng mga teammates namin, hindi namin ma-execute na maganda yung mga plays, tsaka yung familiarizations ng mga bawat teammate.